we're gonna feast. Anyway, this is the recipe I'm gonna use. It's a roasted prime rib of beef with horseradish crust, and this is a good recipe. I'm gonna video the process. I'm pulling it out. Today is Tuesday, so I'm gonna let it de-thaw for in the fridge until Thursday and cook her up. But I got a couple more cows coming. One of them's it could be butchered right now, really. It'd be a little bigger in the spring, but I do have a steer out there that is ready to go, and quite a few others coming along as well. So if you're interested in buying a Scottish Highland steer or some yearlings, I even got a heifer out there I might sell, thinking about it. But give me a ring and or send me a message and we'll hook you up. Okay, this has been de-thawing for 2 days, so it's ready to go. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay, here it is, right here. So this is our Highland meat that we raised. It's prime rib, weighs 5.3 pounds. And we're going to use my dad's recipe, which he got from, I think, the Food Network, but it's the Davis recipe now. So this is Highland prime rib. We're going to cook her up. So I need to lay the beef in a large roasting pan with the bone side up. So this got to be on the upside. Okay. Then in a small bowl, mash together the garlic, horseradish, rosemary, thyme, salt, pepper, olive oil to make a paste. How many garlic cloves? 5 garlic cloves. So 1 garlic should be enough. This is some of our bread.
We baked.
What's this bread called? Artisan bread.
Artisan bread.
It's cooked overnight. Or you start it in the evening and then let it rise all night. Here's a sprig of thyme. And here's the rosemary. Do we got any more rosemary to use? Oh, we got another one here. More rosemary. Okay, so it says these got to be smashed. So I'm just going to smash them with this knife. Herbs. The herbs make it taste better. Needs a 1/2 cup of this coarse salt, kosher salt. That's enough. 1/2 cup of kosher salt. Dump it in there. Put this away. Let's see. Horseradish. We need a 1/4 cup of grated fresh horseradish. You got that right here. Then it says we need 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. It's got regular olive oil, but that'll work. Oh, we gotta add pepper. 1/4 cup of pepper. And it says add coarse pepper. A 1/4 cup of fresh ground pepper. I'm not gonna ground that much pepper up. So it takes a whole bunch of pepper too. Ooh, that's a lot of pepper. And then you gotta mash it up. Okay, then it says massage the paste over the entire roast. Put the pan in the oven and roast the beef until the internal temperature reaches 125 Fahrenheit. Okay, so how hot do we cook it? Doesn't say. Oh, 350. Now we need to massage the paste over the entire roast. So I'm gonna put it on this side first, I guess. I guess you gotta massage it into the meat. It's like a crust. This crusts up real nice. Put the pan in the oven and roast the beef until the internal temperature meat registers 125 Fahrenheit. Remove the beef onto a carving board and let it rest for 20 minutes before carving. Okay, so we just got a cooker now. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna check the temperature. Ooh. Looks like it needs quite a bit, huh? It's gotta get up to 125. What's it, 30?
90.
Okay, it's at almost 125. That'll be okay to pull out, I think. Okay, we got the meat out, and it's a little more than 125, like 128, but you gotta let it sit for 20-30 minutes and it cooks a little bit.
Oh. Now you're in the video.
Look at this ugly dog.
Not my baby.
Okay, so I kind of messed up here. I think I was supposed to take the lid off and then it gets a crust on it. I left the lid on because I didn't know. So I'm gonna take it out and cut it up. See how it is. Let's see, probably the best way to cut it would be like this. See how good it is. We need a platter. Oh yeah.
Looks very moist. That's a good sign.
Can't wait to put my foot in it.
Come around on this side, Lily, so you can. Your foot.
I wanted it on your YouTube.
One of Melina's friends used to always say, "Oh, you put your foot in it."
At first I was like, what the heck?
What does that mean?
Yeah, what does that mean? That means it turned out bomb.
Means it's
It's
good.
a compliment.
Yeah, it's a compliment. You never heard that? My whole family says that.
I've heard it, but I don't think I knew what it meant.
Even Pop says that.
Kind of bloody, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's cooked.
It's kind of supposed to be.
Isn't it supposed to be like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, it looks perfect.
Yeah, it looks good to me.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Oh, then we gotta make gravy out of it. Elders first.
How did I get to that position?
The meat was delicious. I don't mind mine being a little bit red, and this was just perfect. It was nice and tender. It was not too salty, so the recipe's really, really good.